BCH, we start with weekly chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And based on weekly chart, after this drop, we see the price is the lowest price of this big correction. All right. Now we want to see whether we can look for the reversal or not. And if we look at the chart, we see similar to the other charts, we have this correction. All right. Now the question is, either the price is going to reverse from here, or we see the price continue and drop and see the breakout of the lowest price of this correction. And as what I explained, based on other chart and especially Bitcoin, if the price could break the lowest price of this correction, flying by divergence, it can give us better confirmation for continuation for the reversal. And even if you want to look for the trade as a long term, right? And it doesn't mean we have to wait for that option, but we need to be quite careful that this possibility is still we should expect this possibility at this point. That's why if you get any opportunity for buy within this range, we consider as a short term, right? Then because we can expect the price consolidate for a longer time unless the price reverse continue from here, we see the breakout of this correction as a sharp move based on lower time frame following by deeper correction. This is where we can confirm for continuation, right? By the way, if we get any opportunity for buy within this correction, we'll take the trade and we consider as a short term. And if we move to lower time frame, and we can expect to get one move up similar to what we have here. That's why the breakout of the previous top we will consider as a where we look for the next resistance. All right. But at this point, I don't see any trade setup. Simply, we cannot take the trade. How about if this one is similar to any of this? We see the continuation and drop as extension before we see the reversal, because in that case we will as I mentioned, we will expect to see the divergence based on weekly chart. By the way, I don't see any trade setup even based on lower time frame, but for me, if I get any opportunity for buy, I will take it as a short term. And at this point, I'm looking to see the breakout of 125 following by 139. Then from there, we want to see whether we can look for continuation or we can look for the next drop. And as I mentioned, at this point, I don't see really good opportunity for buy. Having entry above the top or any of this option is not a really good idea unless this one tempted deeper correction. And based on 1 hour or 15 minutes, we consider this one as a first deeper correction for the next trade. In that case, we can look for 125 as a short-term target by having a stop loss below this. All right. But at this point, we have to wait. Anyway, even we, as I mentioned, even we get the continuation, the breakout of 1.125 following by 139, this is what I'm looking for. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.